Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some simple easy hairstyle. So watch the video till the end. So first here we are tying the hairs together like this. Now take the sections from the sides, tie them and then rotate it. Pull out the hairs from the top as shown in the video. Now we will tie all the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and tie the hairs using this bun pin, fix it properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie half of the hairs. Now taking the hairs from the sides, we will rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Fix it on the top by rolling it like this. Now we will tie all the hairs together. Make the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video. After we are done with the plaits, we will fold the hairs upward and fix it to make the bun. Roll it properly and fix it inside the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now, take the hairs and then divide it into two parts. Now, roll them together. Now, fold it upward and fix it to make the bun using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Now we will tie all the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now we will fold it upward and fix it using this hairband or the rubber bands. Now fix it using this bun pin on the top, put this hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs by taking small sections from the sides. Now rotate it. Follow the same process for the other side as well. After that, join them together. Now take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then remove few sections from the sides. Again, repeat the same process. Take small sections and keep it aside like this. Now join the upper part. So watch the video very carefully how we are fixing the hairs by taking it from the sides and keeping it aside. Join all the hairs in the same manner till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then divide it into two parts. Now make the plaits on the upper part. After that, we'll fix it or rotate it using this hairstyling tool like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the small plaited hairs like this. Now again take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it. Now by making the plaits, we will take the hairs from the ponytail made on the back side like this. Take small sections, follow the same step for the other side, join the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs on the top like this. So again, we will take the hairs from the sides. Then after tying it, remove few sections from both the sides like this. Follow the same process till the end and tie all the hairs in the same manner as shown in the video. Keep joining the hairs till the end. Now take the removed part like this from the sides and join them one by one. Tie it properly as we are tying in this video. Watch the video very carefully and watch it till the end how we are making the plaits or how we are joining the hairs from the sides. Follow the same process for the other side as well, and after it is done we will fix them together. So this hairstyle is best suited for long hairs. So after it is done, we will join both the sides at the bottom of the hair and tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.